Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to my channel ZinoVision. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install Roads of Europe. So this is going to be a step-by-step easy tutorial. Before we get started, I just want to inform you this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. If you find any value in this video, please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. So let's get started. Yes, like I mentioned before, this video is going to be about how to install the Roads of Europe, which means that all the roads in your Grand Theft Auto 5 game will be changed to EU roads. So to make this work, we need to download a few files. In the description, I'll leave two links that is necessary to make this work. Link number one is to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel, or else you can go into link number two, and that is to join my Discord server where we can find all the links. So let's do that, and step number one and step number two. Let's now hop over to our Discord server. So we're in our Discord server now. If you did number one, then step number two, then this is where you will end up. As you can see, we do a lot of giveaways, so stay in the Discord server. Also, we have a support page. If you cannot do something right, you can just open up a support post, and I will help you, or my colleagues will help you. So for this tutorial, we're going to go to the GTA resources section, and here you'll have how to install Roads of Europe tutorial. So we're going to need a few files: OpenIV, ScriptOkV, the Rage Native UI, and Roads of Europe, the file itself. So if OpenIV is not working, you can download it right here. I have the file ready. If ScriptOkV is not working, then you can just download these two files. And Rage Native UI is always working, and the Roads of Europe, you can just download the direct link that's right here. So let's hop over these four web pages. Link number one. OpenIV is not working, so you need a file from my Discord. Link number two is working, you can just download it. Link number four is right here where you will end up. You'll just click here and click here to download. Same goes with this one, just hit download and it will start downloading. Roads of Europe, just click here and it will start downloading. After that is done, we can go up to our downloaded folders and our Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. So let's do that. Okay, on my left side I have the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. On the right side I have Roads of Europe. So we're going to go to our Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. As you can see right here, I have multiple. Always make a backup. I highly recommend everyone doing this, okay? So if you do something wrong, you can just delete it and put the backup in that place, and it will work again just fine, and then you can see what you downloaded or installed wrong. So on the right side we have the downloaded files. Let's get started with OpenIV. Double click on it, hit continue, let it load up. Okay, it took a minute or so for me, so just hit accept, hit continue, and then you can choose your file location. After you've chosen your file location and hit continue, we'll prepare to download and install OpenIV. Okay, it is installed. Now we can close this down and we'll come back to OpenIV in a bit. Let's go to the second link. That will be ScriptOkV. Extract all with right clicking on it, and it will open up a new folder. Open it up, open the bin folder, select the two files that I select and drag and drop them in the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder, just as I do. It's that easy. So that's also done. Let's go to Rage Native UI, right click on it, extract all, extract, and open it up and select these two files that I select and drag them, drop them in the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. It is that easy. So that's also done. Oh, and then we will go ScriptOkV, Rage Native UI. We've done these. Then we'll go to this one right here and hit extract all. And that is this file right here. Oh, we don't need that one. Sorry, that's the direct link of this one right here, as you can see. So that I already placed in a Discord server. So then we'll go to Roads of Europe, right click on it, extract all, let it extract. A good moment for y'all to smash that like button and also leave me some feedback. Okay, there it is. Okay, now we need OpenIV. To make OpenIV work the first time, we need to open it with administration rights. So search it up in the search bar, OpenIV. There you have it. Right click on it and run as administrator. Hit yes. Let it load up. And you will get this screen right here. Hit Windows. You need to choose your file location. and it's already the right spot. So select folder, hit continue again, let it do its magic. Going to be ending under 10 minutes, so that's great, I hope. Okay, then you'll get this orange bar right here. Click what can I do, set permissions, hit okay. Then we're going to go to tools, ASI manager, click on that, and then you have these three options here. Click on install. It will ask you to create the mods folder, click yes, and install the third one. So that's about done. Then we're going to go to the update folder, x64 DLC packs, and then you will be ended up here. We'll have here the downloaded Roads of Europe folder. Yeah, 3.7 gigabytes. Wow. We're going to click on it and drag and drop it right here, but that's not possible because we haven't turned on edit mode, which we are doing right now. Now we're going to drag and drop it in this folder right here, and then we're going to go back. It's that easy, by the way. It will be right here. Okay, then we're going to go back to the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder in OpenIV. Then we're going to go to update again, common data, and here you have it. So let me just show you quickly fast again. Update, common data, and here you will have copy to mods folder. We're going to do that or else this won't work. Copy to mods folder, and now we're in the mods folder, but the same area. It copied all the files. Okay, then you have a DLC list right here. We're going to right click on it and hit edit. We're going to go all the way down. We're going to select the last line, just like what I do. It may be different from you. Just select it from beginning till end. Hit Control C for copy. You can also just right click on it, hit enter at the last line, and you can copy paste it. Control V or right click and paste. It's that easy. Then we're going to change the name in it. We're going to edit this and copy this name right here so we don't make any mistakes. We're going to select here, click on it, double click on it, and hit Control V. And then we're going to hit save. That's about it, folks. Now we can close this down and we can open up Grand Theft Auto to see if it works. So we're loading into Rockstar Games. Let's open up Grand Theft Auto. Yes. Unexpected files have been found. Totally fine. Just hit OK and let it load up. I'm going to skip this part for y'all. Okay, Grand Theft Auto is loaded up. If the video is a bit laggy, it's because my cam is also on. Let me see, is it laggy? It doesn't seem laggy on the recording. The game is not laggy at all. So yeah, let's hop in a vehicle and you can instantly see that the road is different right here in front of us. Just wondering if it's lagging. Let me just turn off my cam just to be sure. Okay. Let's go to the city and y'all will see that the roads are totally different. Oh damn! I definitely can't drive, sorry about that.
Man, you suck.
Yeah, we're almost there. And we're definitely gonna end up under 10 minutes, so that's great. Still a bit long, but... And yeah. As you can see, folks, roads are different. It's the EU roads. And you can change this up even more. So, yeah, you can even do traffic signs, stop signs, and much more. So yeah, maybe I forgot to mention one thing, folks. Let's go back over to Discord. Let's go back to the general tab. As you can see right here, today at 9 AM, someone asked, can you make a tutorial on EU roads? And it is now 13:51. So that's just, what, 6 hours later, I make the video, 5. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. That's about it for this video. Don't forget to leave some feedback and smash that like button and stay subscribed to the channel. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.